Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Bronco Badlands. Coming in this nice desert sand coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. Has the high luxury package, and taking a look at the back here, we got recovery hooks, rear park sensing, full-size spare tire with your backup camera, a black hard top with the high clearance fender flares, beefy off-road wheels. We got rock rails as well with blind spot detection. You got a side view camera on here, the clearance flares on the front park sensing with recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of storage even with your second row up. You can just collapse it by pulling on those as well. You got hooks and doodads, the body's molded to the outside coloring, sound deadening headliner, hooks at the bottom here. You got a 12-volt and lights with your storage below. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same vinyl interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of cargo space up front. Got your lights, parking brake hood, grab handle here, and above your head, your additional second rows here with 2 additional seats. So you have 4 in total. Get the back, you just lift this up, slide your seat forward for your 2 additional seats. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 380 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrapped heated steering wheel with toggle free screen, voice phone media, volume mute, cruise control. We do get a lovely B&O sound system, digital speedometer with your settings, audio, phone, navigation, Bronco information, trip and feel, and my view. To my right, we got our gear select, drive modes, so your GO modes, 4-wheel drive, trail control, windows and mirrors, cup holders, grab handle there, and above. More storage here with an outlet. Center console, tons of more storage. We got our dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, with park sensing, auto stop, auto start, and your 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles. And above on the dash, you do get some storage with some outlets, front locking diff, rear locking diff, trailer turn, traction, and hazards storage below. And above, we do get upfitter switches you can set up however you please. And here we got our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls with navigation, little red dot showing you where your vehicle's been, search reason saved, have your audio open at the same time. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with your settings such as vehicle and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LA43605, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.